What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have something nice and very useful. Today I have a combo pack of keyboard and mouse. This one is from ProtoArc and the model number is EKM01. These are actually advanced ergonomic keyboard and mouse, and I have been using a set of these for a while now and I'm super satisfied with the performance of these two. Actually these two has brought a lot of convenience and made me feel more comfortable. My hand, wrist, palm, fingers, nothing is generating that much fatigue like before. So yeah, these actually has increased productivity. Let's start from unboxing, but before that, how much does this set cost? The usual price is $109.99 US, but I have managed to buy this set at a discounted price. Yeah, there are some sort of discount going on and this one costs even less than $100 US, and at this price point, this is a steal because this one really comes with some cool and interesting features. I'm super excited. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. Well, let's start from unboxing. Okay, the size of the box is a bit big one, but I really like the design of this box. Wow, they have printed the keyboard and the mouse, multi-device keyboard mouse. Yeah, we can connect this set of keyboard and mouse to 3 different devices at the same time. Ergonomic split keyboard and sculpted mouse combo. Yeah, the keyboard is actually a split keyboard. We will talk about this later. There are some specifications given at the back of this package. This mouse supports 800, 1300 and 2000 dpi, polling rate 250 Hz, operation voltage 3.7 to 4.2, battery capacity 500 mAh. That's really pretty big. Battery capacity of the keyboard is 300 mAh. This one supports Bluetooth and this one also comes with a 2.4 GHz USB dongle. Well, let's do the unboxing. Here comes the keyboard. Yeah, it's a full-sized keyboard, so it's a bit big. And this one comes with very good quality wrist rest. Definitely we are going to talk about everything. Let's check what else we have got inside the box. Here is the ergonomic mouse. Wow, this one is really built with premium materials. It feels super comfortable in hand. And you know what? I really like this accent color. ProtoArc has also provided a user manual. There are a lot of illustrations and ProtoArc has described everything clearly, so you don't need to worry about anything. If you have any issues or if you want to know about how to use this product, everything is written clearly inside this user manual. They have also included the charging cable. Yeah, this is a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Okay, as I've mentioned, I really like this accent color. Look at my t-shirt. I like this color. Definitely I like this color. The first thing I have liked about this keyboard is this wrist rest. It's super comfortable and the ergonomic design of these buttons are super comfortable. Look at these button T. It's bigger because we use the button A and E a lot more than other buttons, so we don't need to stretch too much. Do you see that? Well, these buttons are super clicky but yet very comfortable. You don't need to push too hard, but there is enough travel. And if you like mechanical keyboards, you will definitely like this one. These are not mechanical keyboards, but all the buttons have very good travel and even the space key is splitted. So using the space key with any of the thumbs is very comfortable. Well, as I mentioned earlier, we can connect this keyboard with 3 different devices at the same time, one through the USB-A dongle and 2 other through Bluetooth connections. At the bottom part, there is a on-off button and there are 4 stands. We can use these 4 stands to raise the keyboard or to get the desired curve or slope. Well, another thing I like about this keyboard is we can use this keyboard either with Windows systems or with any Apple devices. I have my iPad Pro M1 over here. Let me connect my iPad Pro M1 with this ergonomic keyboard. Well, the pairing process is very easy. Just press any of the Bluetooth buttons for 5 to 10 seconds and then select ProtoArc keyboard on your device. It will get connected within a moment. Let me write something for you. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. You can see all the buttons, all the function buttons are working perfectly fine. We can select brightness and we can mute and unmute. I really love this keyboard. Cool. All the media buttons are working perfectly okay. I really enjoy typing on this keyboard. Super cool. Now let's check the mouse. The first thing I like about this mouse, its ergonomic design. My palm actually feels very comfortable when it sits on this mouse. Wow, and this mouse moves so smoothly, and this one actually makes me feel more easy to move around and to click on the buttons. Yeah, the buttons are super clicky, but none of these buttons generate any sound, so in a work environment it's very good to use. And yeah, we can use this mouse anywhere, but I'm just mentioning because this one is super silent. There are a few buttons on this mouse. There is a scroll wheel, a button to choose your DPI, either 800 or 1300 or 2000. On the left, there are 3 buttons. The first one is to cycle through the devices. Yeah, we can also connect this mouse with 3 different devices. When it's powered on, look at this. It cycles through. There is a front and a back button, and at the bottom there is a on-off button. What I also like is, look at this, the dongle is hidden inside this mouse, so when we are not using this dongle, we can just slide it in and then cover it. And the cover is actually magnetic. It offers comfort, and having these buttons, these forward and backward buttons, increases productivity. And as I don't like hard or rigid mouse buttons, these are very soft, but still there is a bit of a trouble and there is this clicky feelings, but it won't make that clicky sound. The scroll wheel is also very comfortable. The middle button is actually integrated into the scroll wheel. Another thing I like about this ProtoArc EKM mouse is we can connect this one with Android devices, with iOS, macOS, and any Windows systems.
Down with you, let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
Okay, you can see that this one works perfectly fine. Not only with my iPad, let me show you something else. I've been using this ProtoArc EKM01 keyboard mouse combo with my Surface Book Pro, MacBook Pro M1 Max, and all of my devices without any issues. When I want to connect it through the dongle, I just use the dongle. When I want to connect this one with Bluetooth, like with my MacBook Pro M1 Max, I use Bluetooth connection. And yeah, switching between the devices is super flawless and super easy. The most important part is build quality and comfort. I actually call it ACD, Enhanced Studio Pro. ACD means affordability, comfortability, and durability. In terms of affordability, these offers a very good value for money. I think if you can buy this one at a discounted price of $90, then that's a steal. And comfortability, well, I've already shown you how does it feel. Super comfortable. They have done their research and designed it with precision. So yeah, this one offers a very good comfort and helps to increase productivity. And if you want me to talk about this keyboard, I can go on and on and on, because wrist rest, the button design, ergonomic design, the split section and the gaps between the keys, and all the designs, all the cutouts, and especially the keys. Yeah, all the keys gets a very good amount of trouble, and yet it's clicky, it has this mechanical feelings. Still very comfortable, super comfortable. You don't need to use any force through your fingers to push the buttons, and yeah, that's what more important. Well, now these are the most favorite combo pack, I mean keyboard mouse combo pack, and I don't think even if I had to use $150 I would regret, because even at $150 this keyboard and mouse combo offers a very good value for money. So if you're looking for very good ergonomic keyboard mouse combo pack, I would recommend this one without any hesitation. If you have any question about these products, then please make a comment and let me know. If you want me to review other products of this brand ProtoArc, also let me know. Please mention the name of the product. I'll be very happy to buy and review that product for you. Well, that's all about this ProtoArc Advanced Ergonomic Keyboard and Mouse Combo Pack EKM01. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel.
And now we have the best times, no matter